Hi, Glossybox. Glossybox's Advent calendar went on early access to subscribers on September 8th. This has been a very popular Advent, a very talked about Advent calendar this year. Now, 14 full sizes apparently. 80 quid for subscribers, 99 for non-subscribers, and the packaging is very nice, you know, a marbled pink design that opens up like that and you get drawers inside, you know, very nice packaging. So without further ado, let's get into the product list and price breakdown. First product, Iconic London Eyeshadow Palette, Day to Slay, full-sized obviously. This is apparently worth £45. This is a nude palette and a kind of basic one. Yeah, you do have something like this in your stash, most of us, you know, most of these colors. And yeah, if you take a look at the swatches there, I mean, yeah, the colors are pretty basic, but yeah, usable. That's the point. Usable and not, you know, edgy or neon fluorescent green or anything like that. The next product, Brushworks HD Complexion and Contouring Sponge Set, worth apparently £11.99. I found a set at 10 quid actually. I don't really personally find these sponges exciting. First of all, I'm a brush person, not a sponge person. Although I do use my beauty blender, I don't actually like using sponges. They're very basic sponges, aren't they? Look at them. The next product though is one that I like. It is the Lee Stafford Hair Apology 10-in-1 Leave-In Treatment Spray. You get the full size at 100 ml, which retails at £11.99. Now, I really like Lee Stafford. It is a brand that works on my horrendously frizzy hair, and yeah, at least makes it look like this. I have a leave-in treatment serum, which I'm kind of conserving because they've gone and, you know, discontinued it as usual. The next product though is from Creme, Matte Velvetines liquid lipstick. You get a mini lipstick, not going to count that. The next is full-sized. I have done a video with swatches of this. Take a look at the swatch. It is the Huda Beauty Parboiled Matte Lipstick in Wedding Day, full size, not mini, retailing at 22 quid. The first four products, no, the four full-size products, the Iconic London Eyeshadow Palette, Brushworks Sponge Set, oh dear, Lee Stafford Leave-In Treatment Spray, and Huda Beauty Parboiled Matte Lipstick. Together they come up to £88.99 already, so yeah, keep that in mind. The next product though is not full-sized. It is from Dermalogica. It is a daily microfoliant. You get 13 grams. Full size is 74 grams. Not going to count it. Next product, Ecooking Hand Cream. 30 ml you get. Full size is 75 ml, retailing at £15.50. Not going to count that either. But the next one is indeed full size. It is from Fenty. It is a matte Stix Shimmer stick, full size, retailing at £21. Next, you get the Glossybox 3-in-1 Moisturiser, full sized, £22.50 it retails for, and it is 15 ml. Next, you have the PIXI Glow Mist 80 ml, full sized, retailing at £16. This is another product from the Advent calendar that I have used and actually have in my stash. So I think we're already well past the cost of that Advent calendar. The next product though is from Sleek. It is the loose pigment. You get 2 pigments at 1.9 grams each, which is indeed full size. Now here's the thing, while these are on ASOS, they're actually not on the Sleek website. They are not on the Sleek website. I'm wondering if these were discontinued. Wondering. I'm not saying I'm wondering aloud. Yeah, because, you know, they're not on the company's website. Everything else is on the brand's website. Think about that. The next product is from FILORGA. It is the NCEF Reverse Supreme Correction Cream. You get a mini. Full size is 50 ml, retailing at £75. Next, you get a sample of the Frank Body Scrub. Full size is 200 grams. This is a product that I like. It's a coffee scrub that makes your entire bathroom reek of coffee for the next 2 days. But yeah, it's a nice scrub. But you only get a sample. I wish they had sent out the full size of this. The next product is from Bare Minerals. You get the Prime Time Primer. Full size is 30 ml. You only get a mini. Next product is from Bubble Tea, the Tea Bath Fizzer. Again, I'm seeing the older packaging of this product, not the new color scheme there. So I'm unable to find this packaging on the brand's website at the moment. Next, you get Sunday Riley Good Jeans Mini, full size obviously being 30 ml, and that retails at 85 quid. Next is a brand that I do not support at all, do not promote at all. It is from Kat Von D. It is the Go Big or Go Home Mascara Mini. The full size is 4.3 grams. Now here's the thing, the packaging of this is you know, what you get is this, but the packaging of this is currently this. Yeah, see the difference. I think this happened after Kat Von D was sold, so I don't know if we are, I mean, you know, if the older packaging is just being, you know, finished up via advent calendars. I don't know. The next product is from Avant. It is the 3-in-1 Hyaluron Filler Collagen Eye Cream. You get full size, retailing at £99. Wait, £99 for an eye cream. I know, but you get 10 mils of it. So 10 mils of it retailing at 99 quid. Anyone else reminded of last year's Look Fantastic advent calendar when they sent out one Avant product for 85 quid and the rest of it was just, you know, mane and tail, you know, similar tripe? Anyone else thinking of that? Because, you know, this one Avant product at 99 quid is obviously the big ticket item. It is 10 mils, keep that in mind. I mean, I see this as Barbara's term, you know, for me. The other thing is, you know, one product that is 10 mils priced at 99 quid may not necessarily appeal to everybody. People may want to see a 30 ml serum instead of that price. I mean, if they'd sent out full-size Sunday Riley good jeans instead, I would have been happier than Avant. You know, Avant 10 mils full-size, 99 quid. Instead, they could have sent that Sunday Riley good jeans at full-size, you know. I know that actives are not for everybody, glycolic is not for everybody, but, you know, nor are eye creams necessarily. Some eye creams actually break me out. If they contain mineral oil or something, you know, I get breakouts around here. So, yeah, everything isn't for everybody, but, you know, instead of a 10 ml full-size product at £99, your big ticket item could have been 30 mils. That's what I'm trying to say. The next product is from Nails Inc. Full-sized polish in Victoria, which retails at £11. This is a deep cherry shade. Next, you have a mini charcoal mask from The Body Shop. Full size is 75 grams. Next, you have a 10 ml sample of the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Pack. Full size is 80 mils, retailing at £41. Not going to count this, obviously. This is a product that I really, really like. Next is another brand that I don't support because, you know, the products, some of the products contain asbestos. It is from Mua Makeup Academy. Remember them, anybody? It is a brow defined pencil, full size, retailing at £3. Next, you have the Illamasqua Illustrator Pen, full sized, retailing at £21. It is currently on sale on Illamasqua's own website at £16.80. And then you have the Zova Screen Queen Highlighting Palette. So yeah, lots of highlighters here. Fenty highlighter stick. This one, another highlighter palette. So you have two different highlighter products in here. This retails at £15. Lastly, oh dear, you have the Vintage Cosmetics Company Poly Bow Headband, retailing at £6.99. 14 full-size products are claimed. They do indeed have 14 full-size products. Iconic London, Brushworks, Sponges, Lee, Stafford, Huda Beauty, Fenty Beauty, Glossybox, Sleek, PIXI, Avant, Nails Inc, Mua, Illamasqua, Zova, Bow Headband, Vintage Cosmetics Company, 14. Unlike other advent calendars this year, this one is actually makeup-centric. You get 12 makeup products, 1 hair care product, 4 bath and body products if you count that headband as a bath and body product. No, that should actually be hair. So yeah, 2 hair care products and 3 bath and body products, 8 skincare. For makeup lovers, this is the pick of the lot because 12 makeup products, just 8 skincare. So price breakdown before anything else. 45 quid for the eyeshadow palette, 10 for the sponge set. Do we want to count that? Yeah, might as well. Don't want to be accused of unfairness, do I? Lee Stafford treatment spray, £11.99. Huda Power Bullet Matte Lipstick, 22 quid. Fenty Shimmer Stix, 21. Glossybox Moisturiser, 22.50. PIXI Glow Mist, 16. Avant Eye Cream, 99 quid. Nails Inc Polish, 11 quid. Yes, so far we're already at £258.49. Mua Brow Pencil, 3 quid. Illamasqua Illustrator Pen, 16.80. Let's count the sale price. Zova Highlighting Palette, 15 quid. Yet that leaves us with £297.49. You only pay 99 for the advent calendar. The Bow Headband, £6.99. If you add that, you get £304.48 for the advent calendar. Full sizes alone, not counting the minis, not counting the standalone retail prices, not counting the travel sizes, not counting any of that, just the full sizes. Do I personally like it? That is a question. Now, for me, you know, there is a bit of a problem. There are a couple of products with packaging that is not current. Secondly, couple of brands that I don't support. Kat Von D, Moi, Asbestos. Thirdly, bow headband, sponge set. These are products that I don't love. Fourthly, this is not kind of up my alley for me. For me, this is a basic beauty advent calendar that offers good value. Not for your seasoned makeup addict. This is not your seasoned makeup addict's advent calendar. If you're looking for a mid-end advent calendar, if you're looking for something that's below 100 quid, this one fits the bill. The value is there. The question is whether the products are up my alley, not as much. But you know, I'm in a different place where makeup is concerned. I want exciting new products, and I already have the Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick and the PIXI Glow Mist from these. I don't want to see a headband in an advent calendar. I don't want to see sponges in an advent. We're seeing quite a few sponge applicators this year in advent calendars. Not a fan of seeing that. So yeah, overall the value is there. Basic advent calendar, nice gift for somebody who has a basic makeup collection or is getting started with makeup and beauty. But yeah, don't let me stop you from buying it. Please, definitely not. This is not my intention. These opinions are purely my own opinions, that is all. And as I keep telling you over in my other price breakdown videos, this year I'm trying to be more and more and more and more mindful, more and more and more objective instead of beauty-ness. You know, it's not because I've reached a saturation point or I'm cynical. I've already bought one advent calendar and I'm looking forward to my second one. I bought one huge GWP and made use of an offer. In addition to that, so far, just from, you know, August, September. So yeah, it's not that I'm not buying things. It's just that I'm more mindful of where I spend my money. Objectively, you know, from, you know, a third person viewpoint, see the value, see where this might appeal to somebody who is starting off on beauty, or, you know, who doesn't have a massive collection, who likes playing with a lot of new makeup, who may not necessarily have problems with certain brands. And who is alright with what could be outdated packaging. I also see that there is a 10ml product pegged at 99 quid as your big ticket item. I also see that there is packaging that I cannot find on the website of these brands currently. I also see that there's a headband and a sponge. Ooh, so exciting in it. I also see that there is a product that I cannot find on the brand's website at all. So yeah, I'm mixed. I'm mixed objectively. Personally, I wouldn't get it. So yeah, honest thoughts on the Glossybox Advent Calendar here. Sorry if this is offensive. Look, opinions are not meant to offend. I don't like it, that's fine. Don't be offended because I don't like something and you like something, please. I actually had a colleague who was very, very offended and took it personally because I didn't like Maybelline and she loved Maybelline. She actually started hating on me for this reason, because I didn't like Maybelline. That is not why you start disliking somebody. I mean, she liked boy bands and pop music. I don't. I didn't dislike her as a result of that. So those are my thoughts on the Glossybox Advent Calendar. Do you agree, or will you be getting it? If you are, I wish you the very best. I'm happy for you. Great that you find a calendar that is up your alley. Great that you decided to unbox this. Enjoy your goodies. Have a lot of fun. But tell me how you enjoyed in the comments below, so I can tell you how happy I am for you. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.